Grandpa, wow! So many purple grapes!
Welcome, Qasim. Let's discover their amazing journey together.
Grandpa, can we taste these grapes?
Soon, Qasim. First, let's learn how they grow.
Grandpa, why are these grapes so shiny?
That soft coating protects the grapes and keeps them fresh.
Where did Concord grapes come from?
They became famous in Concord, Massachusetts, in the United States.
Why do we prepare the soil first?
Healthy soil gives grapevines strong roots and a great start.
Grandpa, our little grapevine is planted!
Now let's help it grow healthy and strong.
Grandpa, is this enough water for our vine?
Yes, gentle watering helps the roots settle into the soil.
The roots are growing where we can't even see.
That's right.
Grandpa, look! A tiny bud is growing.
Wonderful! That's the first sign our grapevine is growing strong.
Grandpa,
Why are all the leaves falling? The vines are getting ready for their long winter rest.
the whole vineyard is covered in snow.
Yes, the vines are sleeping peacefully until warmer days return.
Grandpa, the vines look asleep.
They are resting for winter, but they're alive and ready for the future.
Why are you cutting the branches?
Pruning helps the vine grow healthier and produce better grapes.
Will this keep the vine safe all winter?
Yes, a little protection helps young vines stay healthy in the cold.
Even in winter, the vineyard has so many animal friends.
That's right. A healthy vineyard is a safe home for wildlife too.
Why do Concord grapes have little seeds?
Because Concord grapes naturally grow with edible seeds.
Grandpa, look! The snow is melting.
Yes, Qasim, spring is waking the vineyard back to life.
The vineyard is green again.
Spring has arrived. Now our grapevines can begin growing.
Grandpa is climbing all by itself.
Those little tendrils help the grapevine climb and grow toward the sunlight.
The vine has so many green leaves
These leaves
now.
catch sunlight and make food to help the grapes grow.
Are these tiny buds going to become flowers?
Exactly. Soon they'll bloom, and that's the next big step toward growing grapes.
The tiny flowers are everywhere.
These flowers are the beginning of every bunch of Concord grapes.
The bees and butterflies are so busy today. Yes, bees pollinate the flowers.
And butterflies help make the vineyard.
The flowers are turning into tiny grapes.
Every tiny grape has begun its amazing journey.
The grapes are getting bigger every day.
With sunshine, water, and healthy leaves, they grow plump and juicy.
The grapes turn dark purple. Yes, their rich color tells us
The Concord grapes are fully ripe and ready to harvest.
Grandpa, we picked our very first bunch.
Wonderful job. Careful harvesting keeps the grapes fresh and delicious.
Grandpa, look at all the delicious things we can make.
Concord grapes become tasty juice, jelly, jam, raisins, and many other healthy treats.
Grandpa, these grapes are sweet and healthy.
That's right. Nature rewards patience, care, and kindness with delicious, healthy fruit.
What's the white coating on these grapes?
That's called the natural bloom. It helps protect the grapes and keep them fresh while they grow.
Tap like, subscribe, and tell us in the comments
which fruit we should explore next on FarmyBloom. Thank you for growing with us at FarmyBloom.
See you in our next fruit adventure. Goodbye, everyone!